Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mini vlog. I was just like how much it's snowing out here. We're supposed to get more. We're supposed to get in total about 10 to 12 inches. Yeah, about a foot, which is crazy. I know Sawyer, he's also getting this much probably, but I'm in a smaller village. So just a quick update on what's been happening. We've not really been able to post together. I'll probably be posting one soon, maybe once my tablet charges, because I'll probably be making another Roblox. Maybe not Roblox. I might be making another video. I don't know what it will be on. I think it might be on maybe so let's just look down the road. I don't know what's down there. Oh my god. This is insane. This is your second snowstorm for Wisconsin, if you didn't know. The second one. And it's not even Christmas. I hope my snowstorm Caleb, which is the next one after this one, comes on Christmas. That'll be awesome. But not really much happening. Sawyer's still good. Today's a Saturday. Well, today, the day I'm posting this, should probably be Saturday. Or is it Friday? No, it's Saturday, yeah. Saturday. I just wanted to give you leave a comment down in the comments section down below. Down there. Well, down there. If you and tell me what game I should play. Probably nothing on the Xbox. Probably a game that I can play on my tablet, because I want to. I did no Xbox. I can't do computer games because my computer doesn't work anymore. Well, it's not working right now. Hi, Magic. No, you guys can't see him. Yeah, I was just doing this quick little mini vlog about telling you guys. Oh yeah, if I finish I don't think I finished my sentence. I can't play anything on the computer or the Xbox. Because I don't have the Xbox up here upstairs in my room. I'll have to go down in the basement and get it. And I think my mom's put it away for a while since we're oops, sorry guys. Put it away for a while. So I only really have my tablet to support me. And what, are you crazy, Magic? Hey, he scratched me. Yeah. What was it? There's somewhere up here on my shoulder. Stop it. Scratch the phone. No, don't scratch my viewers. So, yeah. So, and there's a snowplow. There's the plow going down the road. And if you enjoy this episode, well, just please leave it a like so I can, for me telling you what's been going on, and leave a comment down in the comment section down below of what game I should play on my tablet. Well, the only ones I can get on my tablet. And I'll see you all later. Bye.